What the deal YouTube? Just look what I just picked up today. Yep, had to, already got my Xbox over there chilling, you know what I'm saying? But I just wanted a PlayStation 3 for a couple of reasons, man. For one, the Blu-ray player. For two, hold on, I'm gonna put this down for a second. And here we go. PlayStation 320, baby. 320. Where that cutter at? Get the cutter. I got the warranty. A little $40 warranty too, so anything wrong, anything pop off, I ain't gotta worry about a damn thing. Here the controller. Here go the camera. There go the move. I was just about to say that. I bet your money they ain't come with no HDMI. Look what they gave me. That's the charger, and that's the input. Oh yeah, and that is cash money under here. See that? That is cash money under there. Just a little something. Got more where that came from. Let's just getting money. You see this over here? I'm spending money, bro. It ain't no joke. Just got that too. PSP needed one of them. But this the shot right here. This what y'all here to see. The system. And that boy is, I would have to say, this thing slimmer than I thought. And it's lighter than the other systems. Sickening. Alright people, that's my unboxing of my PlayStation 3 Move bundle. It was a deal, I thought $300. You can't beat that. Alright people, I'll let you.